Welcome to this tutorial. How to create, change, or customize a view in Outlook. Are you looking for a solution to customize your Outlook view? Yes, it is possible to change the view settings in Outlook. In Outlook, you can change the mode, focused inbox, display density, and many more. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open your web browser. Type outlook.live.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Sign In button at the top right on the main Outlook page. Type your Outlook email and click on the Next button. Enter your Outlook password and click on the Sign In button. Click on the Settings gear icon at the top right menu bar. At the bottom of the Settings panel, click on the View All Outlook settings. Click on the General tab on the left panel. Click on the Appearance from the submenu list. Under the Themes section, you can choose an Outlook theme of your choice. You can turn off or on the dark mode, and then click on the Save button. Click on the View Quick settings on the left panel. Click on the View All Outlook settings link on the right panel of settings. Now you can turn on or off the dark mode from here. Turn off or on the focused inbox settings. If you want to view the desktop notifications, then turn it on or turn off. Change the display density as per your need. You can select the radio button of Arrange the Reading pane as per your choice. Also, can change the settings of the reading pane. Hope this was easy. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.